Hello, today I'm going to show you how to fix the audio render error. Please restart your computer message on YouTube. This error commonly occurs due to audio driver conflicts, incorrect output settings, or issues with multiple audio devices connected to your system. It can be frustrating, but don't worry, it's usually simple to fix. Let's get started. Step 1, restart and check audio connections. Restart your computer to see if the issue resolves. Check all connected audio devices such as headphones, speakers, or microphones. Ensure they are properly plugged in and try changing USB ports if necessary. Step 2, update the audio driver. Open the search bar and type Device Manager, then open it. Expand the section called Sound, Video, and Game Controllers. Right-click on your audio device and choose Update Driver. Select Browse My Computer for drivers, then choose Let me pick from a list of available drivers on my computer. Select the default or the manufacturer-specific driver and click Next to finish the update. Step 3. Disable Sound Enhancements. Open the search bar, type Control Panel, and open it. Set the View By option in the top right to large icons, then click on Sound. Under the Playback tab, select your speaker device and click Properties. In the Enhancements tab, check the box labeled Disable All Enhancements. Click Apply and then OK. Step 4, run audio and video troubleshooters. Open the search bar, type Troubleshoot, and open Troubleshoot Settings. Click on Other Troubleshooters. Under the Other section, find Video Playback and click the Run button. Follow all on-screen instructions. Next, in the most frequent section, find and run the audio troubleshooter. Again, follow the prompts carefully according to your system's situation. Hopefully, one of these methods helped resolve your audio rendering issue. Thank you again for following this tutorial. I hope it helped, and I look forward to seeing you in the next guide. Take care and goodbye.